Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a hair review. As you can tell, I got my mannequin here. So when you see this girl, I don't know what I'm gonna name her. But when you see her here, that means we're doing a hair review. So we're gonna do an unboxing of AliGrace. Can you see that? Ooh, yes you can. AliGrace hair. I ordered this wig last year. They had a bomb sale going on, and I think I got this for like 80 or 90 bucks. Whatever price it was, I'm gonna leave it somewhere on this video, and everything is gonna be linked in the description box below. But this is their body wave hair, 20 inches, 150 density. When you are ordering wigs, 150 is like mid size, and then you can go to like 200 something, and then like below 150 is kind of thinner. But 150, if you want basically kind of full and a natural look, definitely get 150 density and 20 inches. This hair I have on me right now is 20 inches. This is a whole nother brand. This is from Ali Pearl Hair. And so is she. She's from Ali Pearl as well. But this is AliGrace. They're bomb.com. So we're going to go ahead and so obviously it comes in a box. That's what you get. It has all their social media platforms right here. Tip number 1 is that order through their app. So AliExpress, the app. Oops, something fell out. It was just going to be 10 times cheaper if you order from the app than from like your European website. So hold on, drop something. So we have a little card they give you, and it comes, if you leave them 5 stars on your next purchase, you'll get $10 off. How to contact them, how to care for the hair, different things of that sort. Shows you how to wash the hair, things like that. So I think that first off, even putting a little card in here that told me how to wash it and tell me I can save money next time, bomb.com presentation is really good. All right, so then it comes in this bag like this. Woo. Which is honestly pretty standard when you're ordering hair from AliExpress. You're going to get it in a bag, or you're going to get it in a dust bag. So we're going to open this up. Ooh, she got the lunch lady hat on. Okay.
Boy, if you don't.
Okay, so she comes in here in a net, and then you have the little stuff you get like in your tennis shoes, tissue paper. And then you get the foam thing to kind of keep its shape. That's what you get. And then we're gonna take this off.
Oh, like that!
Nice. This is the body wave. It's really soft. It's really soft. I'll get my brush as well so we can brush this. So we can brush it. Ooh, look at that volume. Okay, she's cool. She's cool. All right. In the wig, we can see that there are 3 combs gonna be in the front of your wig, and then in the back you have a comb right there, and then you have like the little bra strap thing.
Wait a minute.
The adjustable strap to make it tighter. When you order the wig online, they don't give you an option to order a small, medium, or large. It's just one size fits all, and you just adjust it. So that's something to take in consideration. It is very, very full. Okay, I got a couple strands. Oh, no more. Okay, so probably minimum shedding. The hairline, it looks like this. This is like really hard to do. Hairline looks like that. So you would definitely need to pluck her. You would definitely need to do that. But this is what she looks like. She is really full. Yeah, like that's how full she is. She's really full. She looks really good. Really, really, really good. Knots are not bleached. You will need to bleach those. I'm sorry, I think I put something there, so I did that. Sorry. But you would definitely need to bleach these knots if you wanted to. I have a preference. Is when I do my wigs, I go ahead and use a concealer or a foundation. I'll put on here somewhere, and I usually like rub that on the lace, and it blends perfectly. Like the wig I have on now, I have not bleached or nothing like that. I usually just put foundation or concealer on it, because when you do bleach, tip number 2, be careful, because your hair gets weaker and it can fall out. I have experience where I bleached my hair and the hair just start falling out, and then I had a bald spot in my frontal, and once you have a bald spot, you cannot fix that. It's a wrap. It's done. It's over. Okay, it's over. It's done. So I would really give this probably a 9 out of 10 because I haven't worn it yet, and I personally like when I can pick the size of my wig, but this hair is very soft. Doesn't have a, smells like hair. Like if you were going to a beauty supply, it smells like that. It doesn't smell bad. It's not a bad smell. It doesn't have a bad smell at all, but it's super thick. Definitely, and it has baby hairs. It kind of have baby, but you would need to cut these because baby hairs are too long. Nobody's baby hairs are this long. So you would definitely need to customize that and get that together, because that looks a mess. So this is the wig. It looks really good, really full. We're gonna put it on the mannequin, and then we can see what it looks like that. We're gonna do that real quick. All right, so this is her on the mannequin head. This mannequin head I also got from AliExpress. It was super cheap. I got this a long time ago. Need to get another one. When you do get mannequin heads, on the back of them, where the neck is, if you can kind of see that, it has 21. That's how big my head is. It's small. Okay, let's start there. So you need to measure your head, because all mannequin heads are different sizes. So you want to get the size that fits you if you do get one. But the styrofoam cap ones are really cheap. Those are kind of bigger, but this is what mine is. So as we can see on her, this is the hairline. It definitely is going to need plucking. Definitely need plucking. Overall, she is super full. And these are kind of what they're having as the baby hairs. They're kind of long, so you would definitely need to cut them. But there's no part made, so we can basically say this is a free part wig. There is no part anywhere in the wig, but this is the wig. Doesn't look too bad at all, honestly. So I'll probably come back in maybe a month or so, and we'll review this hair and how it does. I will review this hair as well. This is a wig I made myself. I believe this is Ali Pearl's hair. I'm going to go ahead and review this probably in the next couple of weeks. I have worn this for about a couple weeks now, and then I've also made a hair with this hair previously, and I'll review that as well. So that is that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for coming. Share, and leak. Tell me in the comments below what you want next. Description box will be full with all information, but thank you guys for joining, and I'll see you later.